Meet Akur8 Reserving, the end-to-end solution modernizing reserving for the insurance industry. Say goodbye to error-prone spreadsheets and tedious data prep.
It all starts with triangles on demand, instantly transforming millions of claim records into triangles for analysis at the exact granularity you want, with the ability to drill into any cell, giving you direct access to the underlying claim-level data. Then, let Arius do the heavy lifting. With actual versus expected reports, you'll see instantly how your latest data compares to past projections. Our deterministic tools give you a full library of standard calculations, plus the flexibility to customize tables and reports, so you can build the workflow that fits you best. Want to go deeper? With stochastic reserve modeling, you can move beyond simple point estimates to full distributions of outcomes, including mean estimates and loss percentiles. And finally, with personalized reporting and automation built right in, Arius frees you to spend less time on manual tasks and more time generating valuable insights.
And when you're ready to scale up, Arius Enterprise brings advanced automation, governance, and cloud-based collaboration to your entire reserving function. From claim data to allocations and final reports, projects roll forward automatically. Templates standardize workflows, and insights are one click away in your customized dashboards. Akur8 Reserving isn't a do-it-yourself kit of disconnected tools. It's a truly end-to-end reserving platform. Built for efficiency, it integrates with downstream reporting systems while delivering best-in-class capabilities at every step. Akur8 Reserving, where actuarial excellence meets modern automation.